Well, what on earth do we have here? Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this projector screen with stand. So I picked this up because we have a few projectors that we want to test out on it, and I figured it was time to get an actual screen. It comes just like this. I didn't have to assemble anything. It also comes with a nice case to put it in when you're all done using it. I am going to set this up somewhere right here so we can test it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so I figured out how to set up the bottom part, which was actually really easy to do. And now Jamie's going to show us how to open the screen.
You can really hide this thing.
I know, that's why I thought it was so cool. So you can put it all the way up, and then that hooks at the top, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do. And now we have an 84-inch projection screen. Now the other thing that's cool about it is you can make it go higher or lower. Like right now I have it at like a medium height, but you can actually make this go higher, so we can make the screen closer to the ceiling if we wanted to.
It's pretty lightweight.
It's very lightweight.
So what she's saying is,
yep, so that goes down in there. Yep.
This part can come up.
Yep, so there's a lock, and you unlock it, and you slide it up, and then this, if you turn it, watch, the top will come down.
Right.
But you can make that pole go up, 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 almost to, oh, it'll touch our ceiling. Yeah, so we can make it really tall if you wanted. Yep, so if you needed it to be up higher, it could be up higher. And then look, now I'll do it from that height. There you go. That's pretty neat. Huh. I can't see you through it, so that's a good thing.
Huh. As you noticed.
Yeah, easy to move and turn. I think you can anchor it down if you want to.
I bet if it got further.
Yeah. Or like if you wanted to use it outside, you could just anchor it so that it didn't move around. Maybe we should get the projector out and see how it works. So we loaded up one of my videos. That screen's really cool. Do you want to see something really cool, Jamie?
All right, sure.
Look, we're at the movies.
Yeah, that's very crazy.
Isn't that cool?
Wow, that's so clear.
Isn't that? It's crystal clear. Huh. It's so bright. It literally feels like we're at the movies. Can we watch the next hockey game on this? This is so cool. Yeah, so I definitely approve of this screen.